Hey family, welcome to SSpace, where I do everything fun and crafty and show you some of my design. But today I want to show you how I made this jean boot made out of jeans pants. So if you are interested, just stick around. So right here I have the jeans pants, and I am actually cutting it open so that I can use open fabric or the open slots in the jeans pants to use for the cover of the boots. So here I have cut out a piece of the jeans pants to put on top of the boot, got some glue, heat that up and put the glue on, and also added the fabric. And here I am spreading it out, making sure that everything is smooth. Y'all be careful not to make it too tight, because that's what I did. I accidentally pulled too tightly on the boot and I had to go back in and loosen it up. And here I am allowing a little slot for where the zipper is in the boot. If you have a boot or a shoe that does not have a zipper, it will work even much more better. But I have never worn this shoe because I didn't really like it so much. So I decided to use it to I guess upcycle. So I'm upcycling this boot just to wear for fun, for comfort as well. I think it's going to turn out pretty well. So here I am leaving the slots open for where the zipper is at. Remember I said do not make it too tight, and if you can, sealed every area of the boot as possible. And here I am smoothing it out, making sure that everything is clear. Then I am cutting around the edge of the boot to make sure that everything is clean looking. If you want, you can use the slots in the jeans pants that the strips of the jeans pants to outline the boot. That would be kind of cute. I didn't do for this one, but maybe next time I'll try that. But here I am trying the zipper to make sure that it can close up. And then the pant leg that I measured on my thigh and my ankle, I decided to cut the edges off because the ankle was a little bit too tight. It didn't have much give to it, so I cut that part off. And now I'm adding this part to the shoe. Before I did this, I actually tried it on and made sure that everything was perfect. Now I'm adding these strips like I was talking about before. You can put this around the ankle area to cover up or to conceal that which you have cut off to make it look cleaner. You can also use this at the bottom of the boot to make that look clean as well. And I decided just to add a little loop to it to add a little cuteness to it. I think it's cute. What do you think? So now I'm going to try on the boot. Oh, I forgot. I added elastics around the edge top of the boot to add for fitness. And I think it turned out pretty well. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And I will see you next time. Bye.